Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be finding out what is in this Out Kit 50 color needle felting kit with tools. I bought this, well, I didn't buy this on Amazon, but this is from Amazon. I actually got this as a Christmas gift from my sister-in-law 2 years ago, I believe. Was it 2 years ago? Yeah, it was. It's been a long time. I never opened it. I just finally cut it open today, so let's find out what's actually in this kit together. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's see, I'm just going to pull stuff out this way. It looks like a bunch of various colors of felting wool. Look how cute, and they come in their own individual baggies. This, I must say, is not a lot of wool for each color, but it will do if you're just getting started with felting wool, crafts, and things like that. At least you have a lot of variety to choose from. These look a lot like, you can make a whole bunch of different animals. How many are there? I think there's 50, so let's just lay them out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what? Let's just pull them all out and just take a look. We can adjust later. That way the video won't be super long. There we go. There's so many. Oh my goodness, it's just non-stop wool in here. Just piles and piles of felting wool. Okay, there's a separate bag here. We'll just take that out, but let's just pour all the rest of the wool out. Whoa! Okay, cool. Well, that is actually a lot of wool, a lot of variation of colors, and it definitely looks like there's 50 of them in this kit. They are so fluffy and soft. Let's just feel one. Yep, they're super soft, super fluffy, and it'll be so much fun. So I've done like felting wool crafts before. I think I even made a video on my channel. It just took me forever, so it's like so hard to film. But I guess if you're good at editing, that's probably why. But I'm not. So I record for like hours and hours and hours, and then I don't have the energy to edit. So yep. But if you do want me to show you how I make something using felting wool, leave a comment down below, and I definitely will work on it for you guys. But yeah, look at all these different colors there. You definitely do get almost every color in the rainbow, it looks like. I just don't see really, is this white? Don't know, maybe a really pale yellow.
Wait, hi.
But yeah, it looks like a whole bunch of stuff. Hi.
I want you to play with colors.
I am playing with colors. You want to come play too? Come on. This is definitely fun for kids to play with, but not to actually make. Like, they can play with these little felting wools if you watch them, because they're kind of like pom-poms. They're really light and soft and fluffy. Okay, don't lose it, okay, baby? All right, let's push this aside and see what else came in the kit. Oh, baby, you can play on that side. So that's my son. If you guys are new to my channel, he joins me in every video. But here is this big package. Let's take a look at what's inside.
Black, orange.
So everything contained in this little plastic container, which is very useful. Ooh, I got a multi-needle felting tool. This is so cool. Okay, I can't wait to try these out. All right, I definitely needed this. It's a piece of like medium firm styrofoam that you use as a mat, so that when you do your stabbing, your felting, basically stabbing like this, right, with all the needles, it just like cushions it, and it helps make things a lot quicker and protects your surface. Wow, look at this tool set. What's in here? Let's take a look. Okay, looks like, I have to zoom in really close so I can see. Oh, I think they're little like eyeballs for animals. Cool.
This one, candles.
What's this?
I put some colors.
I don't know, a little rolling pin. There's so many tools in this kit. This is like really extensive. I even get what? Pliers? For what? Oh, it's like a little clamp. Oh, cool. And you get more eyeballs. You get a poking tool for the eyeball, which is cool. Looks like tweezers. You want to add details. I have no idea what this is for. It's like a little hook. I don't know what that's for. It's a really cool tool. It's like a little wooden hook. There's so much stuff in here. Again, this little rolling pin thingy. Maybe it's to make limbs. Like you put the... Oh! I'm so dumb. This is a hot glue stick. It feels like those hot glue inserts.
That's what.
But there's no hot glue gun, is there? I don't think so. That was so random. And then in here, what is this? Sorry if my camera's not focusing. Let's open it up. Just gonna pull this out. These extra needles. Yes. So if you want to do it like something more detailed, you have single needles, and I believe these have all different points. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Why did it take me so long to open this kit? I think I just forgot about it. I got distracted. Anyways, so cool. So many things. Oh, even more needles of different sizes. What's this thing? I wonder why they give you like 1 or 2 of these like hot glue gun sticks. Weird. It must be used for something. And this tool here, what is this? Let's see. I really don't know, but it looks quite interesting. If I could open this package up, which it doesn't seem like I can, I'll be right back. Okay guys, check out this tool. I finally got out of the wrapping, and look what it is. Pull this cap off. Ooh. It is a thread cutter, like a little snipper, so you can like, kind of like if you want to smooth something out on the surface of the felting wool project, you can just kind of snip it smooth. That is so cool. Sorry, I get so excited about this kind of stuff. I don't know why. Is that normal? Probably not. But yeah, it's so cool. I still don't know what this is. If anyone knows what this tool is used for, please let me know in the comment box down below. No idea. Anyways, it just comes with so many things. Let's see, did I miss anything? Eyeballs. What is this? It's like a piece of suede.
I do it all the colors.
Oh, it's a finger protector. Oh my gosh. These are so cool. It's like a leather. It's like thick. Or pleather suede. It kind of feels real. Let me smell it. It smells real, so it actually really is. Wow, okay, so my son wants to show you what he did with the felting wool. Can you see? He lined it all up in colors. Oh, you can't see it. There we go. He lined it all up. Beautiful job, baby. Well done. I see your rainbows. All right. But yeah, very cool. It comes with these finger protectors. This looks like, feels like smaller eyeballs. And yep, it comes with 2 finger protectors here. That is so cool. Everything has its own little section. There's some other stuff in here. Don't know what this would be for. Clear eyeballs? Or there's just 1 or 2. Okay, strange. I feel a little string. What is that? It's very cool that it comes with these leather. It's basically like a leather glove, but just for your fingers so you don't poke yourself when you're holding your project. It's so cool. Okay, what's this? Oh, it's a little keychain thingy. Maybe that's what that wooden hook is for. To like hook it in so you can put in the loop and then you just loop it. I don't know. But yeah, this is a really good starter kit. I'm so impressed. You're a flower. Good job. All right, so that's pretty much all that's in here. Let's see what this is. Let's pull out the rest of the stuff. So it looks like there's all these stencils. Look at all this stuff you can make. This is so fun. You can just even use this not with felting wool and just let like kids draw and color with it. But it really makes a good base to make certain shapes. That is so cool. You have like bows. There's just so many things. Maybe this will help you see better.
Plastic.
Oh, like what are these flowers? What do you see, baby?
Maybe play one.
Oops. Okay, so you get a whole bunch of these cool stencils and they're really great. I'm just gonna quickly show them on the screen and so you can see all the different shapes. Look at that. Oh, dogs, animals. So cute. I love the variety you get. Look at that. This is amazing. You can use this to add detail onto like a project. For example, the letters, you can just like felt onto something that you've already made. That's awesome. Look at that. Butterflies.
Oh, what do we do with this? Oh, yeah.
Paw prints. Look at that. Bows. And then we have all these little smaller ones. I'm not exactly sure what they are, what shape they are, but you know, you can just take a look. What is this? A little bunny? Oh, cute. These are so cool, so cute. Okay, a teddy bear. I forgot to mention that these are like padded. They're kind of cushioned, so if you do poke into the sides, it still works. Okay, get me the remote, baby. But yeah, there's so many different varieties. There's so much that comes in this kit. Definitely worth the money if you're getting started, just to like test the waters, and even just great tools if this is something you really enjoy doing. Okay guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this felting wool kit unboxing and you got to see exactly what you get if you were to buy this yourself. Once again, the link will be down in the description below, as my son is putting all these pieces here for you to see in detail. I think overall, I think this is pretty good for its money. Like, once you buy this as a starter kit, you can just buy the wool. You don't really need anything else. It comes with all the tools you need and a whole bunch of various colors for you to get started. So I definitely do recommend it. I'm excited to get started with this. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, thumbs up this video, ring the notification bell to be alerted of when I post next, because sometimes I do post randomly or more than once a week. So yeah, leave a comment down below of any felting wool ideas or projects you'd like to see me make, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
That's all the background video and enjoy today. Yeah, might I make some pieces?
Okay.
Might I make some pieces?